YouTube, what's happening? So, in today's vlog, I'm finna go link up with my brother, Mell. You know what I'm saying? We gonna fix this wheel light that's down here that apparently came off of my brake caliper bolt, let loose. It destroyed it, y'all. It destroyed this shit. It knocked it off. It made that shit all wrinkled and crumbled and shit. It basically destroyed the shit. So, I'm gonna go link up with him. We're gonna do that. Probably do a walk around and review the truck for his channel. And maybe, just maybe, we might squat this thing today. So, y'all stay tuned. Y'all, update. So I'm here with my boy Mell. Had to stop and get me some good old Chick-fil-A. Nigga was hungry. But yeah. Y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video.
5 hours later.
Catch me in action.
In action, look, here we go.
Hey, look, man, we about to take my nigga blocks out. You hear me? Say Mell, you know, cruise with Mell out here. This is my first time taking out real blocks from my homeboy, so we about to see how we do it. Right, so look, when y'all see this video, y'all probably gonna comment, man, he doing it the wrong way. Look, bro, you ain't doing it. Say like that.
Nah, these are 5, my boy.
5 plus 2-inch blocks in the rear, so that's what, 7-inch blocks? Boy, you thugging.
Yeah.
But they stacked his blocks, so what we gonna do? We just gonna take all these bitches out. See how they be loose?
Yeah. Gotta do one of the U-bolts loose. So now,
really cool.
Yeah, we can take that block out back there. And once again, when y'all see this, I don't want to hear shit, no comments about this method we use. Fuck y'all. You just want to pull that one from the bottom right there?
Yeah, I'm trying to. Pull out. Hold on real quick.
So here the rundown, y'all. So we ran into, well, as y'all can see, the block is out. That bitch gone. We ran into a slight issue with the factory block. We couldn't get it to line up. Couldn't get that bitch to line up and get in the hole properly, so we had to rock the tire back and forth to get it to line up in the hole so the factory block will fit. But it's in there now. So now we on the other side over there.
Yeah, come on, you do the other side.
Alright. So y'all, this nigga here got me working on my shit like, what the hell wrong with you? But anyway. Alright, so we done moved on to the other side. All the U-bolts is unloosened, so now we can take the block out and get this shit rolling. So truck is squatted now. Taking the lift U-bolts and blocks out. Finna put the factory U-bolts in. Damn. Well, y'all, as y'all can see, it's officially squatted. I'm not gonna lie, I fuck with this look. Lean to it, you know what I'm saying?
Man, check this nigga out, bruh. Check him out. Check him out, man. Double row flow series installed by me. You know what I'm saying? Get at me. Get at me. This nigga got one wheel light off due to a brake caliper bolt this motherfucker ain't put on.
Like I said, don't take your shit deep.
Man, look here, man.
Don't take your shit
But
deep.
man, y'all look at it, man. On the scale of 1 to 10, bro, they be retarded. Like, I get it, be retarded. Like, real, he got the OGs clean as hell, bro. Man, y'all get this to 10K views. Tell this nigga get some rock lights, bro.
Tell you what. If that bitch get to 15?
15?
Yeah, 15K. I'll do rock lights and what else?
Smack the shield.
Smack the shield.
Smack the shield. Rock lights and smack the shield, bro. Y'all heard.